Welcome to our guide on the Durable AI Blog Builder. Today, we'll explore how this powerful tool can help you generate high-quality blog posts in minutes. Using AI for blog creation offers numerous benefits, including efficiency, creativity, and the ability to focus on your core message without getting bogged down by writer's block. Let's dive into the setup process. Head to the Durable AI website and create your account with just a few clicks. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by an intuitive dashboard. Let's explore the various tools available to enhance your blogging experience. Now, let's see how quickly we can generate a blog post. Watch as I input a few topics and let the AI do its magic. To get the most out of your AI-generated content, remember to optimize for search engines. Focus on keywords, meta descriptions, and structure. Durable AI isn't just for blogs. You can create lists, guides, and articles, allowing for diverse content strategies. Integrating your blog with social media and marketing tools can help amplify your reach and engagement with audiences. As with any tool, there can be challenges. Let's discuss some common issues users face and how to troubleshoot them effectively. In conclusion, AI-driven content creation is just the beginning. Stay tuned for future trends that will transform how we blog.